Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Bigin CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you manually add one contact into your Bigin CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to manually add one contact into your CRM with Bigin anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you meet people organically and you want to be sure to add them into your CRM. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. Is handled here in your Bigin CRM dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Bigin account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to manually add just one contact, not importing all your contacts, what you're going to do is click on contacts here on the top left. It looks like a little person icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the contacts you have in Bigin. However, in order to add one contact manually, you're going to click on this plus contact button here on the top right in green. Okay, once you do that, this bar is going to pop up here on the right. So here you can go ahead and manually add one contact. So you just want to add in their first name, their last name, and their email. You can also add all these other additional bits of information. That's optional. I would definitely recommend it, because if you start collecting a lot of different contacts, so you have 100 or 1,000, it's going to make it easier to search and then also segment your audience. If you have some sort of field you want to add into your contact manually and it's not here, you can click down here, customize fields. Okay, so here you can go ahead and add in different fields for your contacts. So let me cancel this. Okay, so I'm going to enter this information in off screen. Okay, I entered in all the required information, and I'm going to click on save here on the bottom right. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes and it brings me here to the informational screen for my new contact here. And then I can come back in here and edit this if I want to. Just click on the little pencil icon, and then this is going to pop up. Let me close this down. And then if I want to see them in my main contacts, I'm going to click here on contacts once again. Okay, as you can see, here is my new contact right here at the top. There you have it, guys. If you're trying to manually add one contact into your Bigin CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.